Hey guys, welcome back to another video with me, Lewis92, or Lewis as you want to say. Said I'd do it, so here it is. This is the video of my car, modifications that have been done to my car. You guys have asked for it, so I thought I'd do it for you. I've got my best friend Daniel behind the camera, so he's recording it for me today. So I'm going to go around and show you guys. I'm not going to mention anyone's names of comments and things that have been asked in the previous videos, because if I say them wrong or pronounce them wrong, it makes me look like a dick, and I know how much people hate, well, I know how much I hate people saying my name wrong. So, right, first things first. So people want to know about my car. My car is a Ford Focus ST2 TDCi, or diesel, for those who don't know what TDCi means. Although there's probably a lot of car fans on my channel, so they probably will know. First of all, main thing that we've done to the car was the RS back bumper and the RS exhaust. Now, this was a salvage bumper from a wrote-off Focus RS that was bought back in 2017. They had severe front-end damage, so the car was wrote off and sold for parts. So that's what I did. I am now owner of this. I also put a back box delete, or for the Americans, muffler delete. So there is no back box, no muffler on the car. It's just two straight pipes coming either side. I have the R Composites RS rear diffuser set up, so the fiberglass bits for the car. They are pinstripe. Those were put on a while ago now, to be honest. So cost wise, not 100% sure, but I'll leave a link to the R Composites page on in the comments or in the description below. One of my favourite mods for my car of all time is the lights, the sequential lights. Now, I don't know if it's going to do it because the car's open, but when you focus on, look on the lights, they've got sequential indicators, so when I do indicate, they will go from side to side. Very common now on the new Audis, so it's a mod that I've saw. They come from Germany, you can get them off eBay. If I can find you guys a link, I will put it in the description. Cost wise, you're looking around £250 to the £300 mark, depending on, you know, which ones you go for. If you go for non-sequential, just the standard light in the indicator, you're looking around 220, 230. But it's up to you guys. I went for that one because they're clear tinted, so it's one of those. Now, obviously another main mod, the RS spoiler. Now, this is not a genuine OEM RS spoiler. This is a aftermarket replica part. This one I bought because the RS spoilers are bonded from the factory, so they come as one whole thing. Now, me wanting to paint it, bit of a pain if I wanted to paint that. So what I did, I bought the replica one. It comes in two pieces. So you've got the top bit and the sides, then you've got the middle bit underneath. What I've also added is the TRC, or R Composites again, the RS spoiler lip, which goes the full way of the spoiler. So I've painted that black. I am going to redo it and go over that again, but it does the job for now. Obviously with winter grime and everything, it's been on there for probably about a year now, so it's had its use. Now, you may notice as well this little badge just here. This badge is the Puma Speed badge. They are the people who do the remaps for all different cars. My car is stage 1 remapped with the 1R remap from Puma Speed. Brings it to around 235 brake horsepower. Brilliant little thing, very easy to do. Done it all at home while in lockdown. Very, very simple job. Now, if you move on to the sides, what you guys may have noticed in the previous video, ignore the dirt of the car because it has been raining today, but what you may have noticed is we have the gloss black wheels, we have the deep and black blue calipers, and we also have a new addition, which is, again, you'll see a recurring theme, the R Composites side skirt extensions for the Focus ST. These are pretty much the same on most of the models. They are the RS ST, and I think on the ST line of anything from the facelift, so 2015 onwards, or 65 plate onwards. I've also got gel badges from Dmb, which is the ST badges, although they are starting to come off. So when we go Ford Fair next, or the end of the year, which is October, I will be getting some more of those. I also have on the front of the car, hello again, I also have on the front of the car is a matte black sun strip. I've always had these on all of my cars. They go from gloss black to matte black, they change. I went for matte black on this one because I had a roll of matte black wrap that cost, I think it's about £6 from B&M. Does a fantastic job. You can do it yourself. You can get the tools to put it on yourself, although I had them before because I have done a bit of wrapping. So matte black it was. I just enjoyed doing it. I do want to get the roof wrapped, but at the moment with lockdown I just prefer just to have it as it is. But I do want to get the roof wrapped. Now I'm not sure. What I want you guys to do is let me know matte black or gloss black in the description, or in the comments, or should I say, because I haven't got a clue of what I want to do. So you guys can be sort of like deciders on that. So we'll see. If you do like the gloss black look, it's not a problem. I can change the sun strip to gloss black. It's not a problem. But I quite like both, so we'll see. Anyway, back to modifications on the car. The next modification to go with the back brakes is the front brakes just here. These are full RS Brembo calipers. It's a common upgrade that people do to the Focus. Focus STs, it's basically a straight swap. It's a simple plug and play. You take the bolts out of the other one and the brake hoses and put them into this one, bolt them on, obviously bleed your brakes, and you're all good to go. So nice and easy mod. Now again, you may have seen this in the previous video. Down here, again, another recurring theme, R Composites or TRC front splitter. I have added the blue pinstripe myself, not 100% sure on the pinstripe. It goes all the way around the car, but as I said, I'm not 100% on the sun strip on the pinstripe because of the colour. Doesn't really go too much with the colour of my car. Obviously it's dark blue and I've got a light blue tint on, or light blue pinstripe on that. The one thing I do like is my ST badge. They are from, again, Dmb Graphics. I think they cost about £12 online. Again, if I can find you a link, I'll put a link in the description so you guys can do it. They do all sorts of ones. They do all different countries, all different colours. This particular one isn't an overlay. It's a badge. So you take the ST badge off, or whatever badge you've got, put that one on, and it's sat there. I've done that pretty much since I bought the car just over 2 years ago. Again, it's something that I like. A lot of people ask about it, so it's one of those, I thought, let's just do it. So yeah, one of them. So yeah guys, this is the interior of my car. The main thing that I've done in here, as you probably noticed from the previous videos on my channel, is the carbon fibre interior. So what that consists of is the full centre console from gear stick to the top of the radio is all in carbon fibre, or carbon fibre Hydra dip. So it's got, I think it's the jumbo weave. It was done by Hydra Graphics. Very, very nice, easy job to do. It comes apart very, very simply. There is a previous video on my channel for that, of how to take it apart and install it. But the main mods that I have done is the centre consoles and both of the air vents on the left and right hand side. Very, very easy mod, very simple to do, as I said, but it's nice. Makes it look a bit more of a nicer place to be. Right then, the last thing that I want to talk about is not necessarily a mod. I just want to talk about the stickers on the back of my car. A lot of people love them, a lot of people hate them. A couple of ones that obviously got a meaning. The one that most people don't see is this one just here. This is the poppy sticker for the poppy appeal. Now, a lot of people don't see that because it's on the inside of the window, although you can see Daniel's reflection, so if I do that, there you go. That is something that is very close to my heart for, for family members. So that is one of the first stickers. Now, these two, the Urban Customz ones, people ask me, what are they? What are they for? What do they do? This one that you see on the left-hand side is the Rep company. Now, I've had this on for a couple of weeks, but obviously the windscreen wiper hits it, so the Rep badge has started to go. But I am an official rep for Urban Customz. Urban Customz are a company that will specialise in vinyl supplies like stickers, clothing. They've just released a brand new website as well, guys, so if you are interested, I'll leave a link in the description for those guys. They are very good. They're on Instagram, so again, please pop over and show them guys some love. As I said, they've got a brand new website, very nice, very easy to use. Need any questions or anything, or you need any sticker supplying or anything like that, do let them know, because they will sort you out. The other one that I do want to sort of, let's not say brand, I'm not sponsored by any of these, don't get money from any of these, I'm not doing it for that reason. I'm doing it purely because I've been with Urban Customz for probably about 3 or 4 years now, since when I had my Fiesta. I do it because I love the fact that they've been there in my sort of car scene since day one, if that makes sense. So I've sort of been there for them. The other ones, or the other guys that I do want to sort of give a shout out to, is the person that's done this badge here for me. So this is, although it's starting to come off, I've had this nearly 2 years. So this is sort of like a Pac-Man badge for those who like the nostalgic vibes. So what you've got is the ST, the Renault RS, Volkswagen GTI, and the OPC, which is Vauxhall for those who are in Europe. That sticker was done by a company called Smart Artz Graphics. Again, link in the description, guys. It is run by a family member. Shout out, hey dad. He is absolutely brilliant at what he does. I've seen firsthand the work that he does. He supplies people with all sorts of vinyl work. If you're having like wedding coming up and you have an idea, like you want a table layout for like a wedding, on like either like a mirror or something like that, he can do it. You name it, he can do it, guys. He does all sorts. So do hit him up. His link will be in the description. He's on Facebook, and he'll happily sort you guys out. He's got plenty of vinyl. He's got all sorts of colours. He's got chrome from what I saw a couple of weeks ago when I went up to see him. Yeah, the colours that he's got are immense. So do go and obviously have a look, and if there is anything, he has got I believe he has got an eBay shop as well. So hit him up, guys, if you want to have a look. But I'll leave the link to his Facebook in the description below. I've got to remember to do all these links. I don't know why. The other ones that I've got on here is Diesel ST Owners Club, because yes, this is a diesel, and I am in that group, so I thought I'd go on there and just give those guys some branding. And then the last one, if you look and move to the left, is RJ Performance. Now these guys, RJ Performance, a lot of people, if you are local to Birmingham, will know who they are, will know of their work. They are a brilliant company. They do sort of any sort of garage work, car work, but they also do exhaust fabrication as well. They did my exhaust on my Fiesta, and they also did the exhaust on my Focus ST. So a big shout out to those guys again. Link in the description. They're based in Birmingham, not far from where are we thinking? Not far from Birmingham City Football Club. So if you're a Villa fan, but if you're a Birmingham City fan, hey. So yeah. But guys, I'm gonna leave the video there. Thank you very so much. Thank you ever so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. I know a lot of people asked about costs. I will do costing in the next video. This is purely a modification video, but I will go over costs of what certain things cost. I know I mentioned in this video the lights are like $250, blah blah blah, but I will go over costing on the vehicle in a in the next video, and you guys can obviously see what you think. If I paid too much, paid too little, got some bargains, got absolutely ripped off. But yeah, so if you have enjoyed the video, guys, leave a like. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. I'm keeping that in. So we're here at 5, guys. I've got a very happy Daniel. Look at the size of this thing.
Man, so good.
Jesus Christ.
I missed you, baby.